wanted to get into this. I wanted to break this down. I have been very privileged and honored to be able to partake in some information here locally. I think it's really important for Central Ohioans or people moving here to understand what's going to happen to the region over the next this year, 2 years, 5 years down the road. After 5 years, I think we're going to have a total different landscape. If you think of Columbus as a company, One Columbus is like their salesperson to help Columbus grow. It's their vision to become the most prosperous region in the United States. They're going to Japan, Germany, South Korea, England, Italy. These are the industries that are investing in Columbus right now in Central Ohio. Next, the notable projects announced in 2022, 2023. Presentation from Dr. Ted Jones. He's been doing this for about 30 years where he does a market forecast. Pre-COVID affordability. The return to the way things were financially before COVID, the median price on homes would have to drop 41%. Our income would have to go up on an average 69%, and the mortgage rates have to drop 4.3%. This is why this stuff is important. Renting or buying. Here's what you need to know. Unless you are planning on getting like a $20, $30, $40, $50,000 raise between you or you and your spouse, you need to kind of have a plan. This is probably what you clicked on here for. He thinks they might go down to a 6.21, 6.25. So not a huge drop. Here's what you shouldn't do is wait until the interest rates drop. Interest rates go down, prices go up. Everybody comes out, they all want to buy because they think that when the interest rates drop, it's going to be cheaper. It's cheaper for that price. So let's say you've got a $200,000 home, and let's say the rates drop from 6.5 to 5.5. Well, of course, that's going to be a cheaper monthly payment. But what ends up happening is that your interest rate drops. And so what happens to these properties? The home value goes up. What you want to do, buy and to where it fits your budget and it makes sense. Interest rates drop. That's when you refinance. And that's how you make your payment go lower. Consulting a lot of my clients to do, and almost every single one of them has listened. And it's really gratifying to me to help them out because these are people who aren't planning on getting these huge raises or bonuses of tens of thousands of dollars. And so instead of renting and paying your landlord's mortgage, they've switched over. Now they're paying their own mortgage. They're going to have equity on when they're spending money, they're building equity into their property. Down the road, they can take that equity and invest it in something, maybe a little bit bigger, maybe something a little bit newer. It just gives them more options. Having a mortgage actually can help out your credit score as well. So there's just a lot more benefits to owning than there are to renting. So anyway, I hope you found this educational. I hope it helped you grasp a little bit of what's coming and what's happening to Columbus and all of Central Ohio. If you think this was useful information, you think somebody else could benefit from it, please don't hesitate to share it. If you want to find me on social media, it's Realtor Joe 614. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. Have a good day.